Why are you frowning and why is your face looking like a rejected dry sheet?
Agidigba, there is a problem.
There is a problem. Can you tell me what the problem is? Remember that Agidigba has solution to every problem that you have.
Agidigba, I'm a virgin.
Hallelujah. You are a virgin. So how did you become a virgin now become a problem?
Agidigba, I have a boyfriend and I want to go and see him tomorrow. But the thing is that I don't want him to know I'm a virgin. That's why I came to you. If you have something to give me so I can rub, I want the place to be open, very wide. I want him to think that I've been doing it for long.
You don't have a problem, eh? I have something for you. This is what I call the Ibu opener. I just brought this one yesterday from Addis Ababa. Just take this thing and rub it on your opener and
I didn't miss the road. I came to the right place.
You know now. If you just rub this one on your opener, your Ibu will open. The more you rub it, your Ibu will open.
Just like that.
If you rub it, your Ibu will open. That is it.
Don't worry.
It's just 250. You know it's not free now. Yes.
Trust me now. I'll do transfer for you.
You will do transfer for me.
You
will transfer like 1,000 for me.
Trust me.
I
want me to work.
Just come back and testify.
I'll come back.
Yeah.
I want to testify for this.
Go and testify. Go and testify.
I am coming back.
You will see as your Ibu will open.
I am coming back.
You will see as your Ibu will open. Hi.
Baby.
Now?
I told you I'm tired. You should take it gently on me.
You are tight? Like this? Jehovah Biafra. Something that I almost lost my life inside there. You're telling me you are tight.
What do you mean?
Hey. Let me run for my life before you kill me. Hey. Hey, Agabus, there is trouble. Agabus, why are you running like you are being chased by a lion?
Nah, Agidigba, assuming it was a lion, it would have been better. Hey!
What is more than a lion that you are running from?
Agidigba, my brother, do you know that I just escaped from the valley of the shadow of death?
How?
Oh, yes.
I can't believe this.
Hey, I almost lost my life.
What really happened, Agabus?
Hey, nah, Agidigba, my brother. There's this new girl I have been talking to for quite some time now, and yesterday we agreed to meet, and you know
you like woman now.
And I said let me test the pekus.
You want to test the pekus?
I'm telling you, my brother, you won't believe it. Immediately I entered Ibagadam, I lost my life.
Hey!
Like I was struggling for my life, Agidigba, inside the valley of the shadow of death.
So it means that you are born again like this, eh?
No, my brother.
Because you just came back from the Puna again.
I have been born again.
Hey!
Agidigba, help me, please.
Hi!
Help me.
You don't have to worry, Agabus. I have this thing called the Ibu Taita.
Wonderful.
I just brought this one yesterday from Addis Ababa. Original Ibu Taita.
You don't mean it?
If you rub this one, it will close. If you rub it, if you are not careful, the Ibu will even close.
Jehovah Biafra.
So just make your decisions now and know if you will take it or not. Original Ibu Taita. That is what I just gave you.
Anyway, what do I know? I trust you because I know anything from Agidigba is tested and trusted.
Tested and trusted, you know, Just go and try this one, and come back and testify to me.
I will try it.
Meanwhile, you know that I bought this one. It's 350. It's not free.
That one is not a problem. Now you know how we do it. Now I will wire the money for you.
Wire the money to my ass,
Okay, now. I will come back and testify.
I'm waiting for you, my brother.
Oh yes.
I am waiting for you. Come back for testimony time.
At least this one will.
Just go and try it, It's like this business. Chinedu. Let me call Chinedu from Jakarta. The import starting cartons of Igbo tighter, the Igbo opener for me. Because it seems like these people in this community like
Agidigba.
Why are you still frowning your face, young woman?
Agidigba, you failed me.
Have I ever failed you before?
No, but you did this time.
What really happened? What happened?
Agidigba, the Igbo opener you gave me didn't work.
Ha, Kappa.
I was still feeling the pains.
The Igbo opener I gave you didn't work. Something must be wrong somewhere, or it's either that your opener they deserves a higher version of the Igbo opener. But you don't have to worry. I have this new Igbo opener I just brought yesterday again. This one just came from Jakarta. This is a very short Igbo opener. If this Igbo opener opens your Igbo, it will swallow anything around. And if you are not careful, it can even swallow you. Your own Igbo will swallow you. You will fall inside your own Igbo. So that is it. But this one is a little bit expensive.
How much? I'm capable.
This one is just 850.
Why are you downgrading me?
Oh, madam. Sorry, I know
Don't I look fit?
I know you are capable. You are fit. That is it.
Why am I
I don't
know what to do.
My number one.
I hope it will work.
This one will work.
I want to come back.
I say this one will open your Igbo. If you are not careful, it can swallow you. This one will swallow you. Wow. Nah, this Igbo business, this Igbo business, so it's good, oh. Hey!
Oh, this guy wants to kill me.
What is it now? Why are you crying again?
I told you to take it and stop me. You want to kill me before my time, oh. Let me cry and joy before you kill me. Before you kill me for my mother.
Imagine I almost lost my life in Yaibu. You are telling me I want to kill you. But wait, oh. Agriba told me that this thing would work. How come it's not working? I need to go and see Agriba. What kind of thing is this? I need to go and see. Agriba, I am not happy with you. In fact, I am so disappointed in you, Agriba.
Why can't you just come to my store? I try to say you are not happy with me. What have I done? Over our years of friendship and business, have I ever folded your hands?
I know you have not done anything back to me before, but this your Igbo tighter has failed me.
Hey, don't tell me my Igbo tighter did not work.
For the second time, I almost lost my life in the valley of the shadow of death.
Hi! Something must be wrong somewhere, Because I know what I gave you. I brought it from Addis Ababa.
You better do something about it.
Hey, you don't have to worry, my brother. Yesterday night, my container landed from New Delhi, India. And they just brought this new Igbo tighter for me. This one is version 2.1.
Wonderful.
Executive. This one, they say is business class. Business class Igbo tighter. Yes, this one just came yesterday.
If you give it to me now, this is exactly what I've been looking for.
Are you sure?
But are you sure it will work?
This one will work well. Time, Just try this one. Maybe that Igbo has some things that will make that one not work. That is why I gave you the higher version.
So you mean this version 2.1 now will be?
My brother, this version 2.1, if you rub it there, Agabus, hey, my dealer in Jakarta that gave me the last one, He told me that his hand was there when he rubbed the Igbo Titan. The thing almost locked up his hand.
But how sure are you that it will work?
Just go and rub this Igbo Titan and come back to tell.
What do I know?
You failed me yet again. Your Igbo opener didn't work. I have lost trust in you. You failed.
Baby!
What are you doing here?
And you too, what are you doing here?
I should be the one asking you.
Agabus, how do you know my number one Igbo opener customer?
Igbo what?
My number one Igbo opener customer.
Hey!
Agirigba, how did you know my boyfriend?
Who does not know Agabus here? Over the years, I'm my number one Igbo Titan customer. Hey. So you people have been the cause of, you people have been the reason why my Igbo product is not working. You will tighten, she will open. You will tighten, she will open. You will tighten, she will open. Well, that is your problem, eh? I have your Igbo opener I just brought yesterday, version 8.1.
Wait a minute. So I am still in version 2.1 of the Igbo product. Meanwhile, you have upgraded to version 8.1.
Do you people still want the Igbo Titan and the Igbo opener?